In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom command using the app called IFTTT that stands for If This, Then That to control your home. If you have the Google Assistant on your Android TV box, your smartphone, you'll realize that you cannot actually tell it to change your Hive thermostat. There is a workaround with this by using this app called IFTTT. IFTTT uses applets in order to set tasks or reminders that you can use by activating your voice and your Google Assistant. You can download IFTTT from the Google Play Store or your eBox store. It's available in there. I'll show you how you can set this up and what's available. Once you've logged in and created your account, you can see that there's already some applets. These are the little applets here, so you can see they'll tell you exactly what they'll do. This one says, set the heating to schedule when the whole family has left the house. And it tells you what it works with. And you can just switch it on or off. So once it's switched on, you will need to give the app permission to access your personal data with regards to changing either your settings or changing your account details. Whatever you need to do, you need to sign into whichever account you might be using. So this would need to sign into the Life. If I had a Life 360 account and I wanted to use the Life 360 features, I would need to sign in with my Life account and then just agree to the terms and conditions. The same goes with other popular applications like Netflix or Spotify, YouTube. As you can see here, you can add songs from your videos you like to a Spotify playlist. In order to do this, you would need to grant access to both applications. So one would be YouTube. So I think I've got YouTube already signed in. So I'll just click on YouTube using Entertainment Box account and then just click Next. And you can see it's going to agree to permissions. And now it would need access to your Spotify account, which I haven't got linked, so I can't go any further. Once you've completed both of them, then you'll be able to control and change features in your applications. IFTTT works on the simple principle. If I need you to do this, then you do that. So if I do this or if I say that, then you do this. So all you need to do is tell it what you want it to do, and then tell it what you want it to do when you say what you want it to do. And then it's really simple to use. I'm going to show you how you can set it up right now. So as you can see here, there's a few that are already set up. But if they haven't got one that you want and you are trying to create a custom one, I'll show you how to do it. It's really simple. All you need to do is click on the little plus button at the top. If you look at the top right, there's a plus button. Click on this. It says, if this. Click on the this. Once you clicked on this, it will load the this commands. So if this action gets performed, then you do this in response. So you can flip through the applications here and see what sort of this commands there are. So I know what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for Google Assistant. So I want an assistant. So if I said voice command, then I'm going to need to tell it what to do once I've activated it. So you can see I'll search for it here, and you can see the voice commands. So if it's up here, click on say a simple phrase. Now all you need to do is add what you want in the top line here, what you want to say to the Google Assistant for it to take its action. So in here we just type in whatever we need for it to start the keywords. And this will be about the trigger word. So I type in I am cold as a trigger word. So if I say I am cold, it will start the trigger. You can also add other triggers like it's cold or turn the heating up or anything like that. So you just add them in this row underneath, and you can see you can just keep adding more triggers here. On the final line, all we need to do is type in the response we want Google to give us or we want our assistant to give us in response. So all I need to do is type in here, okay, I'll fix this for you, and that will be the response. You can have any response in here you want. I'm just trying to do a quick and simple response so you can get the hang of it. So once that's done, save it by clicking the little checkbox in the top right-hand corner. Then all you need to do is click on that. So we set the if this, and if we click the plus where the that is, and you can see a host of different applications that you can use to command whichever app you want. You can do so much in here, but this is not what we're going to show you. We're going to show you how to control your Hive. So I'm going to type in Hive and you can see they have Hive active light and active heating. From here, this is where you can change everything regarding what you want it to do when you say your favorite, which is I am cold. You can see here, I could set the boost to heat. So if I say I am cold, then boost the heating. You can say to it, set the temperature. If you say I am cold, or you can set the boost. I'll just set it to boost for this demonstration. Now let's give it a try. I am cold.
Let me fix this for you.
So that's how easy it was to set up and create a custom applet that allows you to control your Hive heating. There's so much you can do and explore with the use of voice and Hive and Google Assistant. This works on your Android TV box, your eBox TV box, and your Google Home, and anything else that has a Google Assistant built in. Thanks for watching. This is brought to you by www.entertainmentbox.com.